Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're making a beaded butterfly. I'm using 2mm beads and 50 cm of nylon cord. I made some graphics for this video so it's easier to understand. Let me explain. These are the new beads you should add. Through these beads you should pull both ends of your cord, and the gray with the border means that we have to pull our cord through a bead we added earlier. Let's just start. It will make much more sense when you see it next to the video. We begin with 3 purple beads and then pass both ends of your cord through a pink bead. Add 1 bead on each side and then pull both ends of your cord through a purple bead. That's basically the whole pattern. I will not comment on every step, just follow along with me and the graphics on the side. Here, for example, we have to add 2 pink beads on the right side. So when we pull both ends of our cord through 1 more pink bead, we make a turn and can continue on the left side. This time we add 2 on the left side, and so on. Here we have to add the top part in the same step, but don't worry. First add 1 purple bead and 1 pink bead, and then the 3 purple beads we need for the top. Take the same cord, we are only using the left cord right now, and pass it through the pink bead towards the purple beads, like this. Now, like before, pass both ends of your cord through 1 pink bead. In this step, we're pulling the right cord through this pink bead. And add 2 purple beads on the left side and pull this cord also through the pink bead. Here we don't have to add any new beads, we simply have to bring both cords to one side, like this. These were already the trickiest parts. From now on it gets easier. We had a similar situation before. Simply pull your cord through the pink bead towards the purple beads before you continue. At the end, I make 2 knots and seal them with nail polish. After we made a second one, we can continue. Hold your butterflies with the knots facing up, so when we fold them together, the knots are hidden. I also find it very helpful to clip both sides together. The new piece of cord I'm using is also 50 cm long. Let's start by pulling our cord through the 2 black beads, like this. Add 1 bead before you pull your cord through the second black bead. Make sure both sides of your cord have the same length, and then pull both ends of your cord through 1 new bead. We continue by passing the cord through the beads on the side. and add a new one. Now you can simply repeat these 2 steps for the rest of the butterfly. What I like to do is to skip a few beads here and there, so it looks a little bit rounder and less boxy. The downside to this is that the nylon cord is a little bit more visible. I'm going to show you how I do it, but you can also simply continue and add a new bead after every step. I take the left cord and pass it through the right bead, and the right cord through the left bead, so they cross each other. Here you can see where I add and skip beads. At the end, pull your cord through the first purple bead we added. Before I make knots, I bring both cords to one side, like this. And we're done. You can now take this butterfly and make earrings or ring, whatever you like. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.